Albert app updates can change how users access features, manage their accounts, and interact with the app, so checking recent changes helps you understand what is different. By the end, you will know how to review Albert updates, what types of changes usually matter, and how to check whether a new update affects your experience. The first thing to understand is that app updates can include improvements, bug fixes, design changes, and adjustments to existing features. A new version does not always mean a completely new app, but it can change how certain actions are completed. The first area to check is the app interface. Updates often change menus, buttons, and navigation. If something looks different after an update, compare the new layout with the previous version and check the latest app information for details. The second area is feature behavior. A feature may move, work through a different process, or display information in a new way after an update. When something feels different, check whether the change is part of the update before assuming there is a problem. The third area is performance and reliability. Updates are often released to improve how an app works, but users may also notice temporary issues after installing a new version. If you experience a problem, check recent user feedback to see whether others report the same issue. A practical way to track Albert changes is to use 3 sources: the latest app update notes, recent user reviews, and your own experience after updating. Looking at all 3 gives you a clearer picture than relying on only one source. You should also pay attention to update timing. If a feature changes immediately after a new version is released, the update may explain why your experience feels different. Another useful step is keeping your app version current. Using an older version can mean missing improvements, fixes, or changes included in newer releases. The main points are simple. First, updates can change the way features look and work. Second, recent user feedback helps explain whether changes are common or isolated. Third, checking official update information helps you understand what changed. Your next step is to check the latest Albert update notes and compare any changes with how you normally use the app. If this guide helped you understand app updates better, subscribe for more practical app reviews and feature breakdowns.